Good morning, children. Today I am providing some important terms from civics, which is important for your test examination for class 7. The first term is democracy. Children, as you know, democracy is that form of government where people participate in the administration or functioning of the government. Now children, come to second point, universal adult franchise. The right to vote, to elect their representative, given to all the adult citizen of a democratic country is termed as universal adult franchise. Now children, the third term is constitution. Children, a set of fundamental rules and principles which determine how a country is governed and which gives its citizens certain right is known as constitution. Now children, the next term is article. Article means clause in Indian Constitution is known as article. Now children, the next term is dignity. To treat oneself and others respectfully is called dignity. You should not avoid such kind of mistake. Children, now the candidate, you always listen about in an election about a candidate. Now come to our point, candidate. One who contests election from a constituency is known as candidate. Now children, the next term is constituencies. Zones into which a country is divided for the purpose of election is known as constituency. Now children, come to मैनिफेस्टो. आपने देखा होगा कि इलेक्शन से पहले हमारे नेतागण जनता से कई वादे करते हैं. इन्हीं वादों को मैनिफेस्टो कहा जाता है. आउटलाइन ऑफ पॉलिसीज promised by a political party to the people is known as manifesto. Now children, voter list. A list containing of adult citizens of the country who are eligible for vote is known as voter list. Now children, sovereignty. Complete political authority to govern oneself without any external interference is known as sovereignty. Now children, all the term is most important for you. Suppose in the test examination, the question should be, read the statement and answer the question. If the statement is dash is that of form of government in which people participate in the administration, then you have to fill democracy. In such a way, the question maybe comes. Have a nice day.